Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Alhamdulillah, I'm so glad to see you again. Today, we'll continue to talk about the passive voice. Look at the example. Tonight, mother will make a fruit salad. This sentence is in the simple future tense. How do we know? Because there is modal will here and the adverb of time, tonight, which shows the future time. Now, we have to identify the doer, the action, and the receiver of the action. The doer is mother. The action is making. And the receiver is a fruit salad. Now let's change the sentence into the passive voice. Let's start with the receiver. A fruit salad, followed by will be, and the past participle of the verb make, that is, made, which is then followed by the by phrase, by mother. Don't forget to use the word tonight at the beginning of the sentence or at the end. So the sentence becomes, a fruit salad will be made by mother tonight. The next example. Sophia will give out the plate tonight. Let's identify the doer, the action, and the receiver. The doer is Sophia. The action is giving out. The receiver is the plate. Now let's change the sentence into the passive voice. Let's start with the receiver, the plate. Next, write down will be, which is then followed by the past participle of give, given, given out. After that, write down the by phrase, by Sophia. Finally, write down the adverb of time, tonight. And the sentence becomes, the plates will be given out by Sophia tonight. Now, look at the next example. Teacher Aida is going to read a story tomorrow. This sentence also expresses the future time. Let's identify the doer, the action, and the receiver. The doer is Teacher Aida. The action is reading. And the receiver is a story. Now let's change the sentence into the passive voice. As usual, start with the receiver of the action. Next, write down is or are going to. Because a story is a singular noun, so we have to use is going to. After that, add be and the past participle of the verb. Finally, write down the by phrase and the adverb of time. Well done! We have the passive voice here. A story is going to be read by Teacher Aida tomorrow. The next example. The boy is going to buy a packet of sweets. The doer is the boy. The action is buying. And the receiver is a packet of sweets. Now let's change the sentence into the passive voice. Start with the receiver. A packet of sweets. Next, write down is or are going to. Since it is a packet of sweets, then we have to use is going to. A packet means one packet. After that, write down be, which is followed by the past participle of the verb, bought. Finally, write down the by phrase, by the boy. Now we have the passive voice, A packet of sweets is going to be bought by the boy.